Hello, this is Travis with Full Spectrum Laser. I have our Muse core set up in front of me with the newest version of the riser installed, and today I'm going to show you how to use the pass-through. The tools you're going to need come with your Muse, so you should already have everything. We'll be using the smaller 2mm wrench. What you're going to do is you're going to loosen the 6 screws on the front and on the back of the riser that hold that panel in place. Once we loosen these screws, you should be able to lift the panel right off the machine. All right, and once you've loosened the last screw, you should easily lift right off the front of your riser, exposing the pass-through. Don't forget, you will need your 5-inch lens kit in order for your Muse to focus at the pass-through level, so you'll want to install that first. Now just put your material through, line up your project, and you're good to go. Check out our video on how to get the most out of your pass-through. It will show you how to use reference markers to split up your projects into smaller portions. While the video was done on a Pro Series laser, the process is still the same on a Muse. Don't worry, your Muse isn't limited to the width of this pass-through. If you need to engrave on larger projects, just place your Muse with the floor removed directly on your project and you're good to go. Don't let the size of your workspace limit your creativity.